If you have been assigned the Reteach portion, please use this video to do the Learn the Math with me, and then you can do the Do Your Math Reteach part yourself. If you were assigned the On Your Own or challenge, you do not have to watch this video, but you are more than welcome to get a few reminders or maybe some hints or help with your assignments for today as well. So the biggest thing we need to remember when we are using number lines is that when we move to the right, that's where the integers are going to increase. The numbers are getting bigger when we move to the right, and they're getting smaller and decreasing when we move to the left. So here it's going to ask us to compare -4 and 4. So -4 is all the way over here, and 4 is over here. When they're farther to the right, they're bigger, so that means 4 is greater and -4 is smaller. So let's look at 3 and -3. -3 is on the left, so it's smaller. 3 is on the right, so it's bigger. And that's the same thing is true even if they're both negative numbers. If I'm comparing -5 and -2, they're both negatives, so they're under 0. But 2 is farther to the right, so that makes it bigger than -5. I like to think of it as if I owed someone $2. That's not a good thing. I'm in the hole. I'm -2. But if I owe someone $5, that's even worse than owing someone 2. So that's one way to kind of help think about it, is comparing it to money. So we're going to compare -1 and 1. If you need to draw yourself this number line, draw yourself this number line, or you can come into your Ed tab and go to your Discover tab, come to your digital toolbox. If you scroll all the way down, we also have a number line here. Let me move my head here. And you can turn on the negative numbers and then lower the count, so then you can graph them if you need to. So since this one won't let us write on there, so we've got -1 and 1. So I'm going to come and graph them. So here's 1, -1, and 1. We're going this direction is bigger, and going to the left is smaller. So I know that -1 is less than 1. So let me find where I'm at. So -1 is less than 1. The little side points to the smaller number. Hey, we also have 2 and -2. So I'm going to come back to my number line, and I'm still learning how to use this too. We can clear everything. Great, that works. So I need to mark 2 and -2. So the farther to the right is larger, so 2 is greater than -2. So 2 is greater than -2. The little side points to the smaller number. So again, if you go to your Discover tab, go to the digital toolbox, you can always open up a number line that can help you think about that. Right is bigger, left is smaller. So looks like we have finished our Learn the Math. So you're going to go back into your Ed homepage to your assignments and click I'm done, and then do the next part, the Do the Math of the Reteach. Then you will work on your homework, and be sure to go back to Canvas and let me know how you think you did.